Welcome to the session. Now we are going to see about Turing machine. So far we have seen push-down automata. So when you compare the push-down automata with the Turing machine is more powerful than push-down automata because it contains infinite set of memory, and you have to traverse both right and left direction, and you can access strings in any uh, any direction. But when you see this push-down automata, you have to only access the top of the stack symbol. So it is a basic limitation in that. So now we are going to see about construct a Turing machine M for the language L equal to 0 power n, 1 power n, such that n is greater than or equal to 1. So for this Turing machine, will have 7 set of tuples, q set of states, sigma 0 comma 1, tau it's a tape symbol, and del it's a transition function. The initial state is q naught, and a blank symbol which is present in tape, and we'll have final state. So here all this I have mentioned. So how the traversal will be, we'll see this. So equal number of zeros followed by an equal number of ones. For this we'll have 0 0 0 1 1 1. After the same string gets over, it is everything on the tape is blank symbol, right? So for this, the logic here is when you see the first 0, it is to be replaced by x, and you go for the right direction until this 1 comes. When you see this 1, you have to replace by y, and after replacing y, you have to move the left direction until x has occurs. Once you see this x, it has to be identified that after x, rightmost of x, it has to be a symbol which is known as 0, and this 0 is to be replaced by as x. Afterwards it is going for the 1. So once you see this 1, it has to be replaced by y, and you go for the leftmost. So once you see this x, you have to go for the rightward direction, which is to be replaced 0 by x, and you go for the rightmost, and you have to replace this y. After that, when you go for this one, once you change this 1 to y, immediately tablet goes for this uh, until it goes for this x, it has to move left, right? So after this x, it has to be identified that tape contains a symbol after x, but there is no input string. Instead of that, they are having y. So once you get that particular y, it is indicated that the input string has been elapsed, right? So how we draw this transition diagram for this, right? So transition diagram. So for this, we'll have this transition diagram. I'll explain using a transition diagram of Turing machine. So using that, we have to write a transition function and also a sample string, right? So see here, my start state is q naught, and so see here, my input symbol is like this. So my tape symbol is like this, etc. Right. So when you see this 0, first 0, it is to be replaced by x. So 0 is replaced by x and go for the rightmost direction, which is known as state 1. Okay. Whenever this other zeros come, there is nothing changed. 0, it is right only. When you see this 1, it has to be changed as y, and you go for the left. So y, and you go for the leftmost one until x comes, right? Okay. So this is q2. So when you go backwards, right, when you see this 0, there is nothing, right? There is no change. 0 to be 0 and leftmost. Okay. After that, until x, you have to move. So that's why when you see this x, there is nothing change, and you have to go for the rightwards. So after that, when you see this x, again you have to cancel it and go for x, and you go for the right direction until 1 occurs. When you go for this rightward direction, when you see y, right, when you see this y, there is no other go, it has to be y itself, and you go for the right direction for this is 1, and it has to be changed as 1 to y. So after that, when you go for the leftmost direction, when it is see this y, it has to be y itself and go for left one. Okay, after that it is going to until it is going to this x direction, so until going to see until x, right? So for this loop is happening. So once it see this x, it is to be go for the right direction. But in right direction, if it is input string, means there is no problem. But if this is a tape symbol which is known as y, right? So when you see this y, it is y itself and you go for the right direction, so which is the state change q3, and you go for the, so whatever y comes, it has to be y itself and you go for the right direction. And once you have this, right, so after this y, one stage you all the input has been elapsed, you go for the blank symbol. So when it comes blank and it is blank itself, and you go for the left one. So when you see this blank, it is again go for the left one, which is the end of the string. So xx yy, so you have the tape symbols, tape headers on the end of the strings, particular end of the string, input string, right? Okay, so this is the way it has to be done. Okay, so this is transition diagram. For this I have to write transition function. So transition function have to be right, transition function, which is del, right? So see how the transition function is going to be. So del of q0 comma 0, so it is q1, right? q1, and 0 is replaced by x and your r. After that we'll have q1 on 0. On 0 there is no state change, so q1 0 itself and you go for the right one. After that you'll have q1 on y. See this, there is no state change, and y, q1 y and right direction. Okay, after that we'll have, see this, q1 on 1, we'll have q2 and you have to change 1 as y and you go for the left one, right? After that we'll have this q2 on 0. See this q2 on 0, what will happen? There is no state change and all are same. So q2 0 and you have left direction, and again q2 on y, right? So the same state, see here, same state, y and left. Okay, after that when you see this q2 on x, it is going to be q0, right? q0, and it is always x, and it has to be x is replaced by x only, and we'll have this right direction. Okay, after that we'll have this q0. See here, see this diagram, y will have this q3. See this here, so q3 and y will have this r, right? After this we'll have q3 on y, q3 y r. After that q3b. So see this, refer this, we have this q4. So I refer this one and have to write. So q4 be L. So this is the way it has to be written. See this? So this is the transition diagram. So it has to be written like this. So the next one, the final thing is you have to prove by using a sample string. So my sample string over here is, so it has to be proved by using a sample string. So here my sample string is 0011. So when you see the 0011 here, so Q0 0011. So here X. So when you see the 0, see when you see the 0, it has to be changed X, and you have Q0 to Q1. So when you write a sample string, so when you go for the right direction, the state is going to be right. State is to be written on the right side, and the symbol is written on the left side. See here how I'm writing here. So X0 state change to be XO, symbol is left side, and state is right side. So we are moving rightward direction. So X. So X is left side, and Q1 is on the right side, and you have 0 and 1 1, right? After that, Q1 on 0. So when you see this Q1 on 0, again you are going for the rightwards. So X 0, so Q1 1 1. Okay, X0 Q1 1. When you see this Q1 on 1, Q1 on 1 will have this Q1 on 1, you have to move leftwards direction. When you see the left one, you have to write the state in a left one, and symbol on the right side. So X, so state will be left one. So this one is changed to be Y, right? The state is 2, Q2. So Q2 and 0 and Y. So X Q2 0 Y1. So what is YY? It is only one is changed, right? Okay. So it is 1. Okay. After that we'll have this Q2 on 0. So when you see this Q2 on 0, it is again leftwards. So Q2 X 0 Y1. So Q2, when you have this, right? So Q2 X 0 Y1. After this we'll have this Q2 on X. When you see this Q2 on X, you have to go for the Q0. Remain. These are you're having a rightmost direction. So go for the right one. So X Q2. So this is Q0, right? So when you see this Q2 on X, you have to just to be down. Go for Q0. That's why it is Q0, and you'll have 0 Y1. Again you'll have Q0 on 0. So Q0 on 0, you have to change Q1. It has to be right side. So we'll have this X. So X Q1 Y1. After that we'll have X Y Q1 1. After that we'll have this X Q2 YY. We'll have this X Q2 XYY, X Q0 YY, X Y Q3 Y, and finally we'll have this X Y Q3 blank symbol, and finally X Y Q4 Y. So now we'll have this 0 0 1, hence the Turing machine accepted the string or accepted a particular language. Okay, so see here, so this is the way of processing the Turing machine. So these are the kinds of transformation. So from x, so this is the way it has to be changed, right? Thank you.